to draw a simple house. We've got our friends Sula, Flop and Twirlywoos. So to get started we'll use our Crayola pens and we're going to draw a square. Let's add a roof. Do a triangle roof. Small squares and a front door, do a little rectangle, door handle. Now let's add some grass and a path. Add flowers, orange and purple. Four flowers. Now we'll add some curtains. There we go, there's our curtains. Shade in the roof. Perfect, now we have some green glitter glue. This is going to make it so sparkly. Looks good for our friends. Perfect. So we've got our windows, flowers, the roof, little door, and our green path. Hey Flop, why don't you go into the house? A yellow sun, ooh, let's do a pink door. Perfect. Let's add clouds with our pom-poms, dip it into the glue and stick it onto the sky. Got silver pom-poms. There we go. And add a pink pom-pom for the front door. There we go. And that's how you draw a simple house for your friends. If you try, make sure to send me a picture.